Hey guys, Josh today spec. Obviously I'm at the outside here in exterior hose bib installation here. I kind of wanted to show you this defective installation or improper one that I normally see on a routine basis. And you can go ahead and check yours at home and see if it's installed like this, because it risks freeze damage if you're in an area that obviously gets cold weather. But anyway, you can see the how this thing is back pitched, how it's going back that way towards the house, when in fact it should be the opposite. It should be pitched out this way. And that is now these are frost free type. It shuts off the water in the inside. However, you're going to have that stem full of water here when it's pitched backwards like this. And then when we pitch this, and that's subject to freezing, and then when we have it pitched like this, how you're supposed to, that water drains out of there and then it shuts it off inside. A lot of times what happens is the stem with that water in there will freeze up, and then you'll get a split in the stem. It won't leak until you go to use the faucet, and then it'll leak because it has a split in the stem. But I run into this quite a bit, more often than I'd hate to say. But anyway, yeah, like I said, this thing should be pitched out towards the exterior here, so this can drain out that stem area from the seal inside at the end of the stem, inside the whatever length it is there, so that can drain out properly. And go ahead and check out the blog too that I posted in the comments, and it's a little bit further information and some pictures and stuff like that, and diagrams and how it should look and stuff like that. But it's pretty straightforward. Just kind of wanted to show you that, and maybe check yours at home and lessen the chance of anything happening with freeze damage. And this is Josh at A-Spec, Northwest Ohio Home Inspections. Thanks for watching.